In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Pinterest business account. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser and look up Pinterest business account. You could do this both on a mobile device or on a desktop. I personally recommend using a desktop just because it's a little bit easier to see everything, but you could also do this on a mobile device. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down and go to help.pinterest.com. And this is a really good article that will allow you to basically show you all of the different steps to create a business account right over here. So if you have any more details and stuff like that, and also instructions regardless of whether you're on an iOS or on an Android, I do think that this is a really great resource. Anyways, what you want to do is you want to go to pinterest.com and you will need to sign up. And if you already have an existing Pinterest account, you're going to need to log out of it to see that option. So let me just go to pinterest.com. All right, and then once you're over here, you want to go ahead and select on sign up just like so. Now, if you go over here, you'll notice we'll get this option that says create a free business account, and you're able to go ahead and press on that. From here, please enter your email, your address, and your date of birth. Or you can log into an existing account and then turn that from personal to a business. That is 100% up to you. So I'm actually going to log into an existing account right over here. But of course, you could make one entirely from scratch if you never used Pinterest before, but you will need to enter your email and your password. So let me go ahead and log into my account and I'll be right back. All right, then afterwards, please go ahead and select on continue. All right, and then here we are logged into Pinterest. And then if you go over here, you'll notice that we're now able to go ahead and create campaigns. We have the ad account overview, campaign manager, etc. So you have all these new features that you normally wouldn't get with the regular Pinterest account. But thankfully, they do actually make creating a Pinterest account relatively easy. And it's even easier if you already have a Pinterest account before. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.